Hey there, let's take 3 minutes and look at the anatomy of a composition essay so that you understand all of the jargon or vocabulary that I'm going to use to refer to the different parts of your paper throughout the semester. So here we are, we're looking at a 5 paragraph essay written for a composition class. We begin in the upper right hand corner. This is called your header. We then move to what's called the heading. We then have the title of the paper. Now if you notice, every single line is spaced exactly the same. This is called double spacing. The very first paragraph of the essay is called the introduction. Usually, the last sentence of the introduction is called your thesis statement or thesis claim. The thesis statement is the main idea of the whole paper. The paragraphs following the introduction will be called body paragraphs. They include every paragraph after the introduction except for the very last paragraph of the essay, and we'll talk about that in a minute. So here is a body paragraph. We scroll down, we'll see here's a second body paragraph, and finally a third body paragraph. So you need to make sure and understand that when I talk about body 1 or body paragraph 1, I do not mean the first paragraph of the essay. I actually mean the first paragraph of the body, or I might talk about body 2 or body 3. Now, within a body paragraph, there are different bits and pieces. Generally speaking, a body paragraph begins with a topic sentence claim. That's kind of like the main idea of just that paragraph. Then, after the topic sentence claim, there's usually some kind of blending of what's called evidence, which is usually cited from a text that we're studying and talking about, and analysis, or you might know it as warrant or explanation. Let's take a look at another body paragraph. It follows the same formula. The very first sentence is called our topic sentence claim. It's what we have to support within the body. We then follow that with cited evidence and some kind of explanation or warrant. And the final body paragraph, we begin with a topic sentence claim, and we blend in some evidence, which is cited, and warrant. And remember, you can mix evidence and warrant, kind of stagger them, evidence, warrant, or you might do evidence, evidence, warrant, something like that. Then the very last paragraph of a composition essay is called the conclusion. So, you want to make sure when I talk about your final body paragraph, I am not talking about the final paragraph of the essay. The final paragraph of the essay is the conclusion. Below the conclusion, we then have our works cited list, which contains works cited entries to any texts that we cited in the paper as evidence. There you have it, all of the vocabulary I will be using throughout the semester to talk about the different parts of the essays that you write.